This is all about lightning. Recently out here in Hope, I took videos of the most powerful thunderstorm I'd ever seen. A whole front line came through, the same front that 2 days before had pulverized Joplin, Missouri. And I mean pulverized. Well, it came through Hope, New Jersey. And while nothing struck directly on Hope, the rain was ferocious and the thunder and lightning all around for I guess 30 miles in every direction. It was phenomenal. I never saw so much lightning. Then yesterday, on July 3rd, I was in the park talking to my video camera and thunderstorms were rolling in from the west. I heard them coming, and this video shows how I reacted as it came in, how interested I was, until finally, after I got back to our front door and stood across the street so as to not stand under the scaffolding, which is metal, what the hell, a lightning bolt hit the very top of our building. And when a lightning bolt hits nearby, you don't hear the usual boom. What you hear is smash, like something huge broke, and that's it. And this video is very interesting because that's what happens at the end of it. Thunder to the south of me. I love thunderstorms. Uh-oh, one just came real near. A flash just hit real near me. I think that was my signal to go. In all honesty, I think that was my signal to leave the park. But I am going to capture this storm. I am going to do my best to capture this storm because I love thunderstorms. It's just that perhaps sitting out in the open in a park near two big iron cannons and iron fences and railings is not the smartest thing if you don't want to get struck by lightning, if you don't want to be disappeared like Mr. Shubin of Thailand. And frankly, I don't. There's another one close by. Yeah, there's a big storm coming. Much of the lightning is going across the sky. Don't know how that really works, but obviously one cloud attracts something from another. I don't see anything hitting the ground yet, but you do see flashes of light, and that last one was a good example of how lightning across the sky works, and you hear it echo across the sky. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see how fast that cloud there is moving up past the monument. It seems to be zipping along at a pretty decent pace as these kind of fronts do. Oops, there's a big one. We'll hear that one soon. That was brighter. It was nearer. See? So that took about 7 seconds, and they say sound travels 1,000 feet a second. So that was about 6,000 feet away, which is a mile. So this thing is moving quickly in here. There it was. Did you catch that? I think that's my cue. Exit stage left. Did you see that one? Oh, I hope we saw that one. That was a beauty. However, it scared the piss out of me. It told me to get inside. That last one was about 2,000 feet away. So it hit in the middle of the river, maybe? But it says it's coming quickly. Get out of here. And so I will. Very shortly, you will see that our little lightning-loving friend, me, hasn't heard a loud crash until, well, a few seconds from now. I'm like the storm chasers who once the, what do you call it, tornado starts coming at them, they start shitting bricks. That's the natural response, isn't it? Let me out of here! They sit and wax poetic about how beautiful it is, and all of a sudden it comes to get them, and they're out of there. The same thing with me and lightning. From a distance, I find it absolutely beautiful. But when it strikes within 3,000 feet, I get the hell out. Scared. I think that should be a pretty good one. Yeah. Yeah. So what do I choose? I choose a very safe place to stand under the nice metal scaffolding climbing down our building. I would think this would be a very unsafe place to be, frankly, between you and me. I'll choose the tree across the street. There are many taller things around here than this, and scaffolding doesn't strike me as the most appropriate place to stand. In a storm. The scaffolding goes up and down this side of the building. It's all steel, and it would seem to attract lightning more than anything else, although it doesn't go all the way up. And there's a lot of other higher things, all these water towers with lightning rods on. for instance, I'll show you if I can. Now, one would say that is a most likely place for a lightning strike. That's probably a lightning rod to save the tower. I think it is. Looks like it. Do we have any more around here? I got to give him credit. He knew where the lightning is most likely to hit, and as you'll see in a second, he's right. I think it is. Looks like it. Do we have any more around here? That hit the top of our building. That was perfect. That hit the top of our building. That was perfect. Did you see that one? That one was sensational.
That one sounded like it hit something, right?
Hit our building. That was I was sitting across the street, I saw it.
Yeah?
Hit the top of the building. Hit the lightning right on the top of the building.
I swear, it sounded loud.